Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to learn how to do a quantity takeoff of our excavation to PyCap. But first, I would like to show you about the excavation work first for our PyCap. So there will be two parameters that we need. First is the depth of the PyCap, and second one is the working area. So we need to offset from the PyCap for the working area. Okay, so now let's go straight to our detail, but first we need to open our tool. You type Q as menu, enter, and enter again, and our tool will create. Just a moment, you can see. Perfect. So now you go to QS Auto Pro utility to set up the unit first, as you can see. So you can select based on your drawing and also the position, what you prefer. Okay, and click save, and you go there again, the QS Auto Pro utility, and then you go down to setup scale. Make sure it 1 as you show here. So you type 1 and enter. Perfect. So now we are ready for our takeoff. So we need to look at the depth of the PyCap first. Based on this drawing, there will be 3 types of PyCap: PC1, PC2, and PC3. And now we're looking to the section of it. So the depth will be 1.1 meter from the existing level and until the bottom of the PyCap, included with link concrete 50 millimeter the thickness. And also for the PC2 there will be 1.2, and PC3 there will be 1.3 from the existing level to bottom of the PyCap, included with link concrete 50 okay. So now we get back to our layout of the PyCap, and you can see here. So first thing we need to do is we need to draw a line around our PyCap. Okay, you just draw it and click C, enter, as you can see, and you do the same for another. Yeah, you can use any command to get it faster. Okay, something like that. Just draw a line around it. And for another, I already draw it because I don't want the video is too long for you guys, so let's keep it short and easy to understand. Okay, perfect. So now we got the line for our PyCap, each one of it, as you can see, the blue one. Now we need to offset it for the working area, and for this modern villa, I assume that we offset only 800 millimeter because the PyCap is quite small as well. So you type command offset and you type 800 millimeter, and now you click outside. There will be 800 from the PyCap to the line here. Okay, you do the same for another. Perfect. You can see you do one by one. Okay, this one we will adjust later on. It cannot be duplicated like this. Okay, now you do it one by one. Perfect. So all for the PyCap will be have a 800 millimeter for the working area. Okay, so now you click escape. Perfect. And now you're looking into it one by one. Make sure it's not duplicated. And you can see this one. Perfect. You just adjust it. Okay, as you can see, we will do the same for this one. Okay, this one not duplicated, but this one does, so we just okay, and this one as well. Perfect. And here as well. Okay, so now all the PyCap is not duplicated, as you can see. All good. Okay, perfect. So now we got the working area and also the height. And for this takeoff, I assume that we take the 1.3, so we have some buffer for the execute at side, because the gap is quite small as well. You can see 1.1 to 1.3, so I take the bigger number, so we have some buffer as well. Okay, so now here's the advantage of our tool. It's quite fast and easy for you guys. So you go to QS Auto Pro utility again, and you go down to total area, or you can type QSTA. perfect. And then you click it. Now you click, let me click all of it. You can see, you just click all the area that we just offset at the moment. Let me do it one by one. You can do a isolate layer or anyway, but right here I just want to show you step by step, okay, so you know exactly what to do. As you can see, isolate all of the working area that we just offset at the moment and click now enter. It will generate the quantity for us automatically. As you can see, we don't have to type anything, okay. And now this line, it become red, basically mean that the quantity that we just created it based on the red line. So make sure that we're not missing anything, okay. So any line that are not turned into red, it's not count based on this quantity. So this tool is really helpful for us, okay. So now let me put number one right here in case you need to add the wet state later on, and the height as well. As we checked earlier, there will be 1.3, okay. As overall, you type 1.3, and now as our format, 1 multiplied by 1, and, yep, and you take the height multiplied by the area that we just find at the moment, and then by 1 again, in case you need to input like the wet state like 5% later on, you know, but we just keep it net first with no wet state yet, okay. As you can see, so now it's done for the excavation for the pie cap. It's really easy and fast, you know, it saves us a lot of time. Now what we're going to do next is we need to double check, make sure that we're not missing anything, okay. You click on the total area and you click QS Auto Pro, and then you find your team in AutoCAD right here. And you can see, boom, now it shows us exactly where the quantity come from. You can see, and we can see that the highlight one, so we are not missing anything. Perfect. So now the quantity is right, and we have done the soil excavation. Let me copy this one. The unit that will be cubic meter, okay, because we take the square meter times the height, so that will become a cubic meter. And for soil backfill, let me show you how to get the soil backfill. The area, the cubic meter of it equal to this one, the soil excavation, deduct the lean concrete below the pipe cap and footing, you can see here, and deduct the pipe cap, the volume of pipe cap, cubic meter as well, and deduct the stem column. So here is the backfill, and we need to deduct the volume, the items such as lean concrete, pipe cap, and stem column on top of it. So we will get the soil backfill after we excavate it, okay, and enter. You can see now you keep our formula, multiply it, and this one is cubic meter, and time 1 for our wet state later on. Perfect. And you can see, so there will be 130 cubic meter for soil excavation, and also soil backfill 122 cubic meter for the soil backfill after we do a lean concrete, pipe cap, and stem column. As you can see, it's very simple. And there another lesson. We will see you guys for the next lesson, okay. And for this one, I would like to end it right here for our excavation work to pipe cap. And thank you for watching. See you guys for the next lesson. Thank you.